Hi, Amy with AJ's Vintage Designs and Fashion Toppings here. This top was done with Dixie Belle No Pain Gel Stain, which is an oil-based gel stain, in the color Walnut. And sometimes people think, sealing over a dark stain can be difficult because they can show brush marks or streaks. I'm going to be showing you in this video, this quick video, how you can get a flawless finish using a satin clear coat. I'm going to be using a water-based polyacrylic from Dixie Belle, and I'm using it in satin. I already have 2 coats on here, and you can't see a single brush stroke. So keep on watching, and you'll see how I did it.
Okay, so I'm going to be using a roller on this project, and I love using, it's a high-density cabinet and door foam roller, and I'm preloading my roller up with Dixie Belle Satin. I'm rolling it on, and you can see that my surface isn't completely flat, so I have roller marks. So I go at a 45-degree angle and get into all those grooves, and then come back with a light hand and smooth it out. So I'm going to continue to do that over this piece, and since I'm using Dixie Belle's Satin Clear Coat, satin is just the sheen. You can use flat, gloss, satin, any of the sheens that you want, but I have a lot of working time, and you're going to be able to see that I keep going over it, and I'm applying it a little bit heavy-handed with my first stroke, getting that product on the piece, and then I come back and I do it at a 45-degree angle to fill in all those roller marks. See how I'm getting roller marks there? I am going back and I apply it, get that product on there, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to do a 45-degree angle. That's going to get in all those crevices. I lightly go in between all of my overpasses. Wherever I've overlapped my roller, I do go back and gently, with a very light hand, making sure to go over those the pass marks where I've gone over about 30%. So I'm having roller marks that show each pass. Light-handed, very gentle, go back over it and smooth it out. And then it does dry to a very smooth finish. You're not going to see your brush strokes. And you can see how much working time I have using the Dixie Belle Clear Coats in their regular line, which is the satin flatter gloss, like I said. If I was using Gator Hide, which is Dixie Belle's water repellent clear coat, I would have to work much quicker and not do so much going back and touching up because it does dry faster. But the satin flat and gloss have a really nice working time. And I'm getting along the edges right now. That roller gets in all those grooves really nicely. I'm going to go all the way around the piece, making sure I have no pooled up areas. And that's all there is to it. Okay, so as you can see, you don't see any of the roller marks. Look at that, how nice that coverage is. No streaks and no real added texture. As you can see, I can get close up. No real added texture to this as well. So the foam roller is a winner.
Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Like I told you, it was quick and easy using that high density foam roller. And I use that high density foam roller a lot on flat tops that I'm sealing, especially if I'm using a satin flat or gloss clear coat. It's become my go-to for sealing large tops, especially in dark colors. It just gives you a beautiful finish. I keep on touching this, it's nice and soft. Like I said, I have 2 coats of satin on here, and that's about it. So make sure that you like and subscribe down below. Click on that little bell so you're notified every time I put up a new video. All the products will be listed down in the description box as well. And that's about it. So, like I said, make sure you also follow me on Facebook. I do a lot of live tutorials over there. My Facebook page is AJ's Vintage Designs. I'm also on Instagram and TikTok as well. So, I'm going to let you guys go. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.